What's up, everybody? It is a hot July day here in Ottawa. It's about 30 degrees and it's feeling really beautiful. We got blue skies. And today I wanted to give you 5 plants that you can still be direct sowing here in Canada in July. You may feel like you can't be planting anything anymore now that we're in summertime, but that's not true. And I'm going to take you through the 5 plants that you can be direct sowing right now. So the first one is zucchini. Zucchini has a days to maturity anywhere from 55 to 75 days based off the variety, and we have at minimum 60 days left if you count July and August, so you definitely have time to be planting zucchini right now. The second one is cucumbers. They have a days to maturity around 45 days, so you definitely can get those in the ground right now. And the best part about doing that is if you direct sow them now, you can avoid the cucumber beetles, as they will be done their cycle by the time your cucumbers are starting to flower. The third one is lettuce. You should be planting your lettuce every 2 weeks anyways, which is a great habit for succession sowing. So now that your first spring lettuce is probably coming to an end, it's a great time to be direct sowing lettuce right now. All right, the fourth one is beans. Beans are the perfect plant to fill any space in your garden. So if you are harvesting your garlic right around now, the best thing you can put in there is beans. They're quick to grow, super prolific, and they fill up space perfectly. All right, and our final one is herbs. So different things like dill, basil, or cilantro are all really quick to grow. And basil loves the heat, and dill and cilantro like the cool weather. So if you start them now, they'll be able to take you through into fall. They're amazing ones to put in, so I highly recommend direct sowing some herbs into your any garden spaces you have available. And a bonus tip, now is a great time to be planting your fall vegetables, but you'll want to be starting these ones indoors. So this includes all your slow growing brassicas like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage. You can try and get away with some Brussels sprouts right now, especially if you grow under cover in the fall. Those ones will all be able to take it through. And then in a few weeks you can start your kale, but I recommend starting those fall seeds indoors now. And that's everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.